Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Sharan SEL. This 7-seater model is a 2-litre TDI DSG 184ps finished in a deep black paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you would like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around both the car's exterior and interior. Then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So we firstly have these 17-inch alloys finished in silver, making a nice contrast against the deep black paint, with your electric folding door mirrors which provide additional safety for your vehicle. These are an additional feature. Another great additional option does include your electric sliding rear side doors. So this is really handy when you arrive to the car in a rush or with your hands full. We have a Vienna leather upholstery as another additional feature. We've got plenty of space available as well as the 2 additional seats in the back, which is handy if you're carrying a lot of family members. We've also got the pull-out plastic trays to keep the kids occupied. And then another great additional option includes your 2 integrated child seats, which is handy if you're carrying any children. Next, taking you around to the back of the vehicle, another great additional option just include your rear parking camera. You also have your parking sensors as standard to give you that additional support when parking up. And then showing you a highlight of the boot space with the back seats up, we still have enough room to cater for your daily needs, such as any weekly shopping trips. And then with the seats folded, you can see how much the capacity has increased. You could easily fit in multiple suitcases. And then another great additional feature does include your electric tailgate. This is really handy when you arrive to the car with your hands full of shopping. And then panning around and taking you into the front, so we have your multi-function steering wheel. This is followed by your front heated seats to offer yourself and your front passenger the most comfortable experience even during the winter. So we do have electric adjustments available on the driver's seat to help you find the most comfortable and safe position. We also have your sunroof, which is another great feature which really brightens up the interior. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the car, we have your electric mirror and window adjustments, as well as your central locking. We have your automatic lights to ensure they're always on at the correct times. And then we have your multi-function steering wheel where we can access some of the car's features such as the adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for motorway driving. And then using the controls on the right, you can customise what you want to see in your instrument cluster. So we have a digital dash display screen in the centre, which is customisable. And then moving over to the centre, we have your multimedia interface where we can access some of the car's features, such as your DAB, FM and AM radio. You can save your favourite stations to your preset lists. We have an aux input available as well as your Bluetooth audio, so you can listen to your own music. You can also use the Bluetooth to make hands-free calls nice and safely. Then we have your satellite navigation, which will help you when planning your route, as well as easily navigating you to the closest petrol stations. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your rear camera will appear on the screen to give you that support with parking. Moving down, we have your climate controls available as well as your front heated seating. And then we also have your automatic transmission and electronic park rate with auto hold. Got some hidden cup holders and some additional storage space underneath your armrest. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Sharan SEL, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.